guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing, installing, and showing you how this sunset projection lamp works. As you can see, we already have everything outside here. I'm just going to show you how to install it. First off, we do have the base here. So this is the little base. It's not hard at all, guys. It's kind of like plastic, metalish, but it's not heavy. So this is the little base. We do have the little pull here that we're just going to screw on. So we're just gonna screw on the little pole, and this is the actual projection lamp. As you can see, it's colorful, it's pretty. Once we turn it on, it's going to shine like a diamond. It does come with a little button that you're going to press whenever you turn it on and off, and it is a USB connection, so it doesn't come with a little block. You are going to need the little block if you have an iPhone, if you have anything that plugs into a USB. It's perfect. I personally have a extension cord that's only for USB, so it's pretty cool. I don't really need any blocks. So whenever you put the top, I would suggest that you twist the base because that's going to be the easiest way to install it. It's super easy to install, guys. As you can see, we're all done. This is the final product. Now, I really love that it's flexible, guys, so you can actually move it to the top, to the bottom, so you can move it in different directions, so it can shine in different ways. So I really like it. It's really cool. And now I'm gonna show you how it works during the daytime and how it works during the nighttime. All right, guys, so this is how it would look during the daytime. We have the little projection lamp there. We're going to turn it on. Now, I wanted to show you that up close, it becomes this small circle, but the farther you go, the bigger the circle becomes. So if we turn it to like the wall, it becomes this big giant circle. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light so you can kind of see how it would look during the nighttime. All right, guys, so this is how the projection lamp looks during the nighttime. It's super pretty. Now I'm gonna do a little close-up. So this is like a closer circle. The farther we go, the bigger the circle becomes. The closer we go, the more smaller the circle becomes, as you can see. But it really looks so pretty, guys. It looks very beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I would definitely recommend it, especially if you need like a nightlight for your little ones, or if you love the sunset view. I would definitely recommend this projection lamp.